Hi, welcome to my video on double angle formula for cosine number 4, proving identities number 2. This proves identities, and as we do it, we have this one here, so we have a left side and we have a right side. And the right side is cos theta, which is here. The left side is sine theta, tan theta, plus cos 2 theta secant theta. And it looks like this is the simple side to do, so we're going to change this side to cos. And so we have sine theta. Tan theta is sine theta over cos theta plus, and we have cos 2 theta, so we could change cos 2 theta. There's three names, so let's go with the cos squared theta minus sine squared theta, and that's multiplied by secant, which is 1 over cos theta. So next step is that we multiply here. We get sine squared theta over cos theta. And we multiply here, we get cos squared theta minus sine squared theta over cos. Notice the two denominators are the same, so we write that common denominator is cos theta, and we add these, so that's sine squared theta, add on cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. And when we add, the sine squareds cancel out, so we get cos squared theta over cos. And that's a cos squared, that's a cos, so they cancel. So I get cos theta, which is the same as the right side. So we make the statement, since the left side equals the right side, it is an identity. And we got to prove number 2 now. So cos 2 alpha equals 4 cos cubed alpha minus 3 cos alpha. Notice that these are all on the left side we got cos, on the right side we got a cos. So we have the left side, which is cos 3 alpha, and we have the right side, 4 cos cubed alpha minus 3 cos alpha. So it looks like we'll, these are coses here, so let's change the cos 3 alpha. So cos 3 alpha becomes cos 2 alpha plus alpha. Now this is the sum of the cos of these two angles, so the sum is cos, sine, 2 alpha, 2 alpha, and the cos is cos, sine, with a minus in the middle. Now looking at it, again we need coses, so we got a cos 2. So because we have coses on the right side, I'm going to change the cos 2 alpha to 2 cos squared alpha minus 1. Remember, cos 2 alpha has three names, so I'm picking this one because we have all coses here. So that's that done. And we have a sine 2 alpha. We don't have any sines here, so change the sine 2 alpha to 2 sine alpha cos alpha sine alpha. Okay, the next step, let's multiply first before we subtract. So that 2 cos squared alpha times cos alpha is 2 cos cubed alpha. Negative 1 times cos is negative cos alpha. And we multiply here, we get 2 sine squared alpha cos alpha. Now, this looks okay because this is cos cubed. We got a cos cubed. This is cos. So what we have to eliminate the sine squared. So 2 cos cubed alpha minus cos alpha minus 2. So another name for sine squared is 1 minus cos squared. And that makes sense if you think about it. Now we have all cos's, but I have to finish multiplying this out before I can subtract. So 2 cos cubed alpha minus cos alpha. Now I got a negative 2 cos alpha times 1, so that's a negative 2 cos alpha. And I got a negative 2 cos alpha times a negative cos squared alpha. So negative times negative is a positive. 2 times 1 is 2 cos cubed alpha. And notice that we have like terms here. So we have 2 cos cubed alpha. Add on 2 cos cubed alpha minus cos alpha minus 2. So what I'm doing, I'm grouping like terms. So that's cos cubed, so 2 plus 2 is 4. So it's 4 cos cubed alpha. And that's cos alpha, so negative 1, negative 2 is a negative 3 cos alpha. And again, it worked on having the right side all causes, so we kept changing the left side so we have all causes. So since the left side equals the right side, it is an identity. And let's try next page. And we have one more to do. But I decided to make up one in terms of logs to review the log unit. Again, as in all identities, we have a left side and we have a right side. The right side is right here, so it's 2 log tan A. And the left side is the log of 1 minus cos 2a. Subtract log of 1 plus cos 2a. So it looks like this is the easier side, so let's change the left side to become the right. How would we do it? Well, we got log rules, and the log rules, the subtraction of 2 logs is the log of a division. So that's 1 minus cos 2a all over 1 plus cos 2a. And I put the bracket there, but really I don't need that bracket. Now we need tan, and tan is, we could say tan is sine over cosine. So what I'm going to do is change cos 2a to tan is sine over cos. So let's change this to sine. So negative 2 sine squared a plus 1. And notice we got a subtraction here. There it is. So I put this in brackets to make sure I don't make a mistake. And I got 1 plus, and cos 2a. And cos 2a has 3 names. That's one of them, and the other one is 2 cos squared a minus 1. And the other name for cos 2a is cos squared minus sine squared. I could have used that in both of these and worked it through, but I decided to use sine squared on top and cos squared on the bottom because that's what tan is made of, sine over cos. So let's continue. Let's simplify the top. A subtraction makes it a positive. So that's negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 2. Negative 1 times positive 1 is negative 1. And we simplify this. That's the plus and that's the minus. So that gives us 2 cos squared A. And also, right now, that's a plus and that's a minus, so they cancel out. So I get the log of 2 sine squared A over 2 cos squared A. And the 2's cancel out, so I get the log of sine squared A over cos squared A. That's the log. And sine squared A over cos squared A is the same as the tan squared of A, because tan is sine over cos. So sine over cos is tan, so sine squared over cos squared is tan squared. And notice the 2 is here, so this power goes in front because of the power rule. And again, the left side is equal to the right side. So since the left side equals the right side, it is an identity. And that's 3 proofs done on using the double angle formulas for cos and sine. And if you like my video, this brings us to the end. If you like my video, you can click the like button, click the subscribe button. If you wish, visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. That's the content that I have on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained, which is just one word. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video was of some help to you. Bye-bye.